Here today, I'm showing you this, it is a shower chair, it is a regular chair, it is a toilet, and a place to eat. So this is very multi-purpose. So that I like that about it. It has pretty beefy wheels, and even with somebody sitting on it, I can move it around even on the carpet pretty good, and you can use either the handles, but you also got this here, which I find using sometimes. So I'll show you some of the features. Here is the back part, but it also comes with kind of a foam cushion if you want to stick that on for a little softer feel. So I'm going to show you, got 4 locking wheels, which I like, and the weight limit of 380 pounds, which is pretty significant. The wheels, easy to lock, just press and press the top to unlock. These flip down easy for the feet. Your adjustments here for the height, so you can make it the perfect height for your person that you're using this for, which is important. Because also as a chair, you can make it to whatever it's comfortable for them, and then you have the arms to help them get up. So I like that. Now this, however, is your commode, and it has a lid on it. And this is your foam. So it's nice and padded, and it's not comfortable as a seat without the insert. But I did want to show you, here is, it's split. It came with a split cushion, and therefore I'm going to try a vinyl repair or black duct tape. So that is my only real complaint, is that, and that's pretty biggie. So therefore I'm going to have to repair that before I can use it. Here is a toilet paper holder if you're using this as a commode. Assembly was pretty easy until I got to putting on the tray and the fastening the feet part. The instructions were not good. Let's just say that. But otherwise, it was pretty much unfold this and your chair is put together. So the only thing you have to put together is attach the feet part and these brackets for your tray. So to put this on, you're going to loosen it. Here it's easily you just put that, and then you slip your eating tray in and then tighten it. And you're going to do that on both sides, and that's adjustable height again. And it has a nice tray for food and a little kind of a spot for your drink. So I do like that feature too, and I haven't seen that before. So there is your tray, here are your brackets, and then you're just going to adjust them like this. You're going to put it like this and adjust it. So that's pretty easy, and it's a nice feature because that makes it, I mean, it's a shower chair, toilet, wheelchair, a place to eat, and a regular chair. So that's a really nice feature about it. I'm disappointed in the split on this seat. Otherwise, I really like it. I find that it wheels better than some other ones that I've tried, because some of them are hard to wheel on the carpet, but this one I've done pretty well with somebody who's about 160 pounds, and I had no issue. The heavier the person, the harder it's going to be, and depending on what kind of rug. But on the floor, it's super easy. If you have a bare floor, it's going to wheel really good. On the rug, it's going to be a little more difficult, but still very doable. So overall, I'm very satisfied. The only thing was the cushion split and the instructions that were minimal at best.